The significance of Amazon rainforest is hard to overestimate. But, have you ever wondered what surprises this majestic place holds? We bring to you top 5 of the hidden gems of the Amazon rainforest. Number 5. A bullet ant is the largest ant in the whole world, and unlike any other ants, though they live in colonies, they search for food as individuals. You might not want to encounter a bullet ant as it has the most painful bites. A theory of the name given to this ant is that, the pain after one is bitten, is as bad as the one when hit with a bullet, hence the name bullet ant. The pain from the bite lasts 24 hours and it intensifies as the time passes. Number 4. As we all know, the Amazon is a vast territory, and, in this territory, we find many creatures and plants. But apart from the various forms of nature found, there is also human life in this forest, living like their ancestors lived, carrying out traditions and passing it on to their future generation. The Amazon rainforest may be home to some 30 million people. 1.6 million of these inhabitants are indigenous, and they belong to more than 400 different indigenous groups. Some are isolated tribes who choose to avoid contact with the outside world. Number 3. The jumping stick is an insect that looks and behaves like a stick. It disguises itself as a stick and kicks rapidly and powerfully like a locust, as they are closely related. They are said to be masters of camouflages. Number 2. A Silkhenge spider is an unknown species who use silk constructions as a means of reproduction. It was discovered in August 2013, by Troy Alexander. He found, under a tarpaulin, a tiny bit of silk in a circular pattern 1 inch wide. At the end of that year, an 8-day expedition led by Phil Torres found dozens more examples of this phenomenon, generally on the trunks of bamboo and cecropia trees. Number 1. The pink dolphin, also known as boto or bufio. They are the hidden gems swimming around the Amazon River. They are playful and harmless as they feed upon smaller fishes. As an endangered species, they are a rare sight to see.